Hello and welcome to Plannr. My name is Emily and today we're going to be looking at creating a new business event. To create a new business event, go to the client, plan or prospect you want to create the event against. In this example, we'll be using a client. From here, go to Add New, then from the drop-down menu that appears, select New Business Event. You're then presented with this modal where you can enter the details of your business event. First, select the contribution type. Next, select the advisor, the type of advice given regarding this event and how the business was conducted. Then select the source of the client's funds. If you select Other here, an additional box will appear to input the details. After this, enter the contribution amount, the frequency of these contributions, and the start date for this event. You can then link this new business event to a case if you wish. And finally for this page, select if the client can be considered to be vulnerable. This will pre-populate if the client's vulnerability status is already saved. If not, the details inputted here will be saved to the client's record. After this, just press Next and then you're brought to the final page. This first field has been pre-populated with the client we created this event against, but it can be edited here if required. You can also select from the client's existing plans to link to this new business event if you wish. But if you want to link to a plan, we'd recommend creating the event directly against the desired plan so the fields pre-populate. Once you're happy with the details, press Create. And that's it! You've successfully added a new business event in Plannr. If you want to edit or delete the event at all, you can do so by going to the New Business Events page on that client and selecting the pen and rubbish bin icon respectively. You can also add a new business event from here by selecting the Add button. If you get stuck at all or need any extra help, the Help and Support tab on the left-hand side menu is always available. Here you can find useful articles as well as messages directly for help.